Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I am Zubair Ahmed, your lecturer at Najam Academy. Among all relationships in Islam, one stands unmatched in sacrifice, patience, and silent love. The relationship of parents and their children. From the moment we weak and helpless, our parents carried us with love, care, worry, and countless sleepless nights. And when we grew strong, Islam taught us that never to forget their weakness. That is why Allah Himself teaches us in the Holy Qur'an this dua. The dua is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. My Lord, have mercy upon them, just as they raised me when I was small. It's mentioned in Surah Al-Isra, Surah number 17 and ayah number 24. These words are not optional. They are divine command. This dua is so powerful. This dua carries gratitude for the past, mercy for the present, and reward for the future. It acknowledges that no matter how old we become, we will always remain children before our parents' sacrifice. Make this dua after every salah, in sujood when du'as are accepted, during tahajjud, and especially when parents are old, sick, or struggling. If your parents are alive, serve them with kindness, patience, and soft speech. If your parents have passed away, know that your dua still reaches them, your charity still benefits them, and your good character still honor them. Islam teaches us never to speak harshly with your parents, never to harm them physically or emotionally, to respect their friends and relatives, to make dua for them regularly, not occasionally, because goodness to parents is not only measured by words, but by consistent mercy. Ask yourself, when was last time I sincerely prayed for my parents without being asked? Your parents were the means which Allah brought you in this world. Let your dua be the means through which Allah raises them in the next. May Allah shower our parents with mercy, forgive their shortcomings, elevate their ranks, and unite us with them in Jannah. Ameen. Jazakallah khaira for listening and watching. Ma'as salam.